method to command your genie. And who doesn't want a genie with like a few wishes or as many wishes as you want, because that's what life's about. Once you learn this, you can have whatever you want, whatever you can actually line up with, and what's actually meant for you. Anything the mind can conceive and bring itself to believe, it can achieve. Guess who said that? My man, Napoleon Hill. Amazing. And this is the very way to command your genie. And how are we going to command it? By our thoughts. The frequency of them, the duration of it, and the power behind it. You have all these things together and you know exactly what you want, it must come to you. It must. That's the law. And then there's scientific proof behind it. This is quantum physics. This is scientific, and there's proof behind it. So thoughts, frequency, duration, you can have anything you want. Let's move on. So the key to success, are you guys ready for this? The key to success is defining your dream. Do you even know what you want? Some people don't know what they want, and that's totally okay. We'll work on that later. But if you know what you want, whether it's money, relationships, love, more time with my family, a shopping spree, a house, materialistic things, or just to be, have peace of mind. I mean, peace of mind is huge. So let's get clear on what you want. Let's write down something that you want. Write down a desire of yours. They don't know how to command it. Some people don't like when I say command because they think it's negative. Because I stand in a very strong stance. I have had to transmute my energy from pissed off anger to a serious conversation with the universe and God and whoever's up there listening. This is too big for me. I need your help, and I command help now. I'm commanding it. I'm not being disrespectful. I'm letting everyone know how serious I am. I command it. Help me. I'm human, and if you're giving me all this stuff to carry, I'm not doing it alone. Give me the tools. Give me the help. Show me what I'm supposed to do. Show me where I'm supposed to go. Give me the phone call. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then you add your gratitude as you're sprinkling your magic dust on it. I love to command. So you can say, I command, I claim, I declare, I am. Let the universe know how serious we are using strong words, not vacillating. I don't know, maybe I want. No. We're strong, we're confident, we are. We are getting this, right? It's time. Another question I get from people is they're not sure, am I commanding it all the time? Am I commanding it every single day? And I look at it as going to a restaurant or ordering from Amazon. So let's go to the restaurant first. So you go to the restaurant because you're hungry. It's time to eat, you're hungry, you're with, you're either alone or you're with, people that you enjoy being with, and you're enjoying the conversation and you're looking at the food, and because you're hungry, your mouth is salivating. Maybe you see someone has the, chocolate cake at the next table and you're like, oh my gosh, like you can actually taste it. You're not eating it, but you can actually taste it, right? Your brain knows what it tastes like. And you're like, that sounds delicious. So you order it from the waiter. And you go back to doing whatever you're doing. You expect it to come, and you're getting excited for it because you can already taste it in your mouth, right? And you probably said thank you to the waiter. And you say thank you when he delivers it. So you don't keep asking the waiter for your chocolate cake. You don't wonder where it's at. You don't wonder when it's coming. You don't have to ask every single waiter. You order one time, your mouth is salivating for the chocolate cake, and you go on and do your business. You release it, you let it go, and guess what? It shows up. Is that magic? No. You ordered it, you expected it, you got excited about it, and you were grateful for it. Okay, we're done here. That's it. It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that. This is a daily practice, and we have got to have strong minds. And it's difficult because I don't want to say difficult, I want to say challenging sometimes, because we've been taught by society, like, I don't know if everyone's playing the opposite game or not, but like ever since we were kids, we were taught to fear things. We were taught to fear our authorities. We were taught that we weren't good enough. We were not pretty enough, not thin enough, didn't have enough money, couldn't go to that school. That's not where our family is. Can't go to California and be an actor. Only kids of actors can be actors. Can't be a model unless you're 5'10" and thin. Really? That sucks, hearing that stuff. So, of course, we're like reprogramming ourselves for what we want because we can have it, what we believe in. And no more society, no more limiting beliefs. The sky's the limit. There's no ceiling. And we are going to talk about how to reach for the top shelf, not just the easy one. and not the one that you stand on your tiptoes for. We're going to go to the top shelf, because if the stuff is coming in that you want, why not call on the best? Why not call on the best, right? Okay, so I'm going to give you a recipe for success when it comes to manifesting. You're going to get clear on your desire. So you're going to get your brand new journal that you set your intention in before we started, and you're going to write down your desire. You're going to be adding your frequency to it. You're going to be powering it up. You're going to be speaking kind words to it. You're going to be acting as if you already have it. I know I keep saying manifesting is pretty easy, and it is. It takes very simple steps, but there are a number of them that you have to work together. So it's like going to the gym. You have a trainer at the gym, and he just doesn't work out your right leg, right? I mean, that would be great to have muscles in my right leg, but it's not going to be all around, satisfying. It's not going to look right. It's not going to feel right. You're not going to get the results you want. So he has to do the legs, the arms, the abs, the chest, everything, the shoulders. So you have a full and complete body workout. So when it comes to manifesting and all the different techniques that we're going to be going over, it's the same thing. Yes, you can think positive, and you're going to put your frequency on it, and you're going to claim your desire, you're going to command your desire, you're going to think for it, you're going to be grateful, you're going to love it, you're going to speak in the positive moments. All those things have to come to play. I'll give you the recipe for success. So take notes, keep your journal handy, and we're going to rock and roll. Before I even knew what manifesting was, I would daydream a lot, because I got butterflies in my stomach when I would daydream. I had no idea if anything was ever going to come true or not. But when things started to come in because I was doing that, I'm just like, wow, maybe I'll be in my dream state more often. I love sleeping because my dreaming is so lucid. So it's important to work on your daydreaming. Again, when we were kids, we were told not to daydream. Get back down to reality. Stop dreaming. Stop looking out the window. Stop being so ditzy. Get back to daydreaming. Daydreaming is a key to manifesting. A key. Define your dream. Do you want a new car? Do you want a home? Do you want a relationship? Do you want more peace of mind? Do you want a vacation? So the goal and the desire that you want right now must feel good to you right now in this very moment. Not like, I want to win the lottery, I want $1 million, and you're like, I don't even know how I'm going to pay my bills this month. You have to be able to line up with your desires. So what you're going to think about must feel good in this very moment. And you're going to know that by how your gut feels, how your stomach feels. You're either going to get butterflies in your stomach, like, oh my God, I can totally see it. Imagine if that comes in. Or you're going to get a cringy feeling. Something that doesn't feel good. Something that, like, if you're going to look at your bank statement, or you're afraid to look at your bank account because it's that feeling, like a cringy feeling. If you get the cringy feeling, then back your dream down a little bit. And it's not to say we can't build on top of it. You can always change things. And once you get a little bit of it, once you start getting little bits of positive affirmations that you're on the right track, it'll be easier to get to the next level and then the next level and dream bigger. But sometimes it's going to be hard to go from A to Z. You got to go from A to B. Maybe you could do A to D, but very gently. And I'm not saying this is going to take a long time. It can be very quick when you're doing it. But your feeling will tell you if you're on the right track or not. So listen to your stomach, listen to your gut when you say things that you want, when you're claiming things that you want. If it feels good to you, you're going to see how you can feel happier, how you can get even more excited about it, how you can get even more fulfilled about it. And one great way of doing this is being outrageously happy. Dance, sing a song, go shopping, think about it, dream about it, go online and look at, whatever you're wanting. Look at the cars. Go car shopping. Go to open houses if you want a new home. Imagine yourself in that spot that you want. Imagine yourself like it's already happened. Like you imagine yourself when you're walking in the current house that you have, or driving the current car you have, or the current relationship. You're just replacing that with your desire, and you're going to be relishing in the feeling of it. When you desire something and you're naming it and claiming it, have anticipation about it. Get so excited about it. Like, how would you feel if you had it? How do you feel when you get new things? When this comes in, who are you going to call? Who's the first person you're going to call? What are you going to say? Go back in your life a little bit and remember a moment in your life where you were so excited about something. So excited. If it was a kid, maybe it's Christmas. Christmas Eve, oh my gosh, I used to love Christmas Eve. Family was around, we had big dinners and presents, just massive presents around the Christmas tree. Most years, I did see some sparse years, which was just as fine, because you know what, we had our family around and we always had enough. But waking up for Christmas morning and our stockings would be full, oh my gosh, I couldn't wait. We would get a big gift from Santa Claus. We're in the stockings. I mean, that's like I love the Christmas stockings. I mean, so get that feeling, get a feeling like that. Go back in your life, take the energy from that time and put it inside of you while you're manifesting these desires. Because when you're anticipating something, you're making it grow. And where we put our intention, our desire grows. So make sure your attention is only going, your intention and your attention is going on the things that you want to grow. So right now we're planting seeds and we're going to water them. Some things take time. Some things take time. And the most important thing is not to get discouraged, which a lot of people do. I mean, if people come to me saying, I'm doing everything, I've done everything, and it's not working, I can't manifest, maybe I'm doing it wrong. I've heard this from several people, different people say this. And I'm thinking, well, first of all, if you're doing everything that you're supposed to be doing and it hasn't shown up yet, it's either not for you or it's coming. But because you're saying this to me with kind of a snarky attitude, you're blocking it. And we're manifesting and then wondering and manifesting and then fearing. We're only confusing the crap out of our subconscious mind. Only confusing it, which causes frustration and chaos. Wouldn't you agree? So watch your words, watch the way you start thinking about this stuff if things aren't happening as fast for you. The universe has no timeline. Sometimes it has to move this piece and that piece, and this piece and that piece. This person needs to get what they're supposed to get, then that person, then this person, then this person, so you can be delivered with your desire. So be patient and let it go and go do something fun while it's coming in, or manifest something else.